Offering absolute convenience with all of Neutral Bay's delights virtually on your doorstep, this family-sized home is brimming with character and charm. As you enter the property, you are immediately greeted with timber flooring throughout the downstairs level, ornate ceilings and cornices, and an abundance of natural light. There is a seamless fusion of Federation charm with modern contemporary renovation and extensions. The home features dual street access with secure parking accessed via the rear lane. The downstairs of the home features an open plan living, dining and kitchen that flows out to the private rear yard that also doubles as the car spaces. One of the things I love about this property that I know is going to stand out to so many buyers apart from the ultra convenient location has to be this open plan living, dining, kitchen space that flows perfectly out to the entertaining spaces and rear yard. Moving through the home is the upstairs main bedroom that features pitched ceilings and an ensuite. The kitchen is an absolute standout of this home, featuring preferred gas cooking, plenty of cupboard space, a dishwasher and glass splashbacks. The home is perfect for year-round entertaining with relaxed spaces at both the front and rear of the home that are also very low maintenance. Situated in a tightly held pocket with all of the best shops, pubs, public transport, express CBD routes and Big Bear Shopping Centre virtually on your doorstep. I know this family home is going to appeal to so many buyers. I look forward to welcoming you at the next inspection.